Good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 1st of July. The weekly session commenced with the euro above 130 against the US dollar. Better than expected European manufacturing PMI data may help erase a part of the previous week's loss. The US dollar hit a monthly high of 99.53 against the yen. In the short term, we may see the pair trading back above the major resistance level at 100. Looking at equities, we have the US 500 starting the weekly session below 1600 but is moving higher. And we have the commodities. Gold rebounded from last week's low at $11.80 all the way up to $12.48 per ounce. The precious metal remains fragile while investors' confidence returns and the demand for gold increases. WTI crude dropped from its high level at $97.80 and is now trading above $96.50 per barrel. It looks like there is an increasing demand for energy and may push the price higher. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. We have the Euro USD pivot point at 130.55 with a preference to go short at 130.55. We have the USD Yen pivot point at 98.55 with a preference to go long at 98.55. We have the Aussie dollar pivot point at 0.9210 with a preference to go short at 0.9210. We have the sterling dollar pivot point at 152.80 with a preference to go short at 152.80. We have the USD CAD pivot point at 1.0455 with a preference to go long at 1.0455. On to commodities and indices. We have oil pivot point 96.70 with a preference to go short at 96.70. We have gold at pivot point 12.05 with a preference to go long at 12.05. Silver is at 19.20 with a preference to go long at 19.20. We have the US 500 pivot point 16.14 with a preference to go short at 16.14. And finally, we have the UK 100 pivot point 61.60 with a preference to go long at 61.60. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. To look out for today, we have these market movers. At 8 in the morning, the EU final manufacturing PMI expected at 48.7. At 8:30, we have the UK manufacturing PMI expected at 51.3. And at 2 p.m., we have the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 50.6. Our mover and shaker of the day is the pound dollar. We have the British pound slide for another week against the US dollar, reaching lower lows at 151.64. The Bank of England Governor Mervyn King stated that there is an economic growth, but the British economy is too weak to be satisfactory. The pair's bearish trend looks set to continue. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Sarah Henry from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.